Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing credentials and workspace so the connectors can authenticate. Sign into Azure portal, register a new app, and copy the client and tenant ID. Create a client secret and store its value securely. This is your key. Once done, open Power BI admin settings, enable service principal access, and create or select a workspace. Make sure the service principal is added as workspace admin so Power BI can access and publish datasets on your behalf. Now configure how data will flow and who can reach it. In Azure AD, assign API permissions for Power BI service and any Azure data sources, then grant admin consent so tokens will be issued. If you need on-premises sources, install an enterprise gateway and register it to your Power BI tenant. In Power BI desktop or service, choose the Azure connector, pick OAuth 2, and enter the client ID, tenant ID, and client secret. This lets Power BI request data securely from Azure resources. Finish by publishing and validating the connection. From Power BI desktop, publish your report to the workspace tied to the service principal. Once uploaded, configure scheduled refresh credentials using the service principal and pick the registered gateway if required. Test a manual refresh first to verify access and query performance. If something fails, check that the service principal has tenant consent, API permissions, and workspace admin rights. Review gateway status and firewall or network rules. Those are the most common failure points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.